Now, number of pairs is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. This is a formula, simple formula. You need not to worry about that. You need not to check it. You apply this formula directly, you get pairs. Here, how many number of charges are there? 3 charges are there. That's why 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel. 3 pairs. For 3 charges, if number of charges n is equal to number of charges. Number of charges is equal to 3, then how many number of pairs are possible? 3 pairs are possible. That's why 1 pair, second pair, third pair. Then how to find U system? U system or U configuration. Configuration means shape. This is triangular shape, na? So for this triangular U configuration we consider. Please recapitulate concepts of gravitation. Already we discussed these all the things in gravitation chapter. Gravitation chapter analogous to electrostatic chapter. So please recapitulate the concept of gravitation. Gravitation also we discussed these all the things. Similar thing there and here. So U system or U configuration is equal to formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Before going to apply this, let us consider this is some A point, this is some B point, this is some C point. That means potential energy between AB, potential energy between BC, potential energy between CA. If you add this all the 3 potential energies, we will get total potential energy of the system. Total potential energy of the system. How to find potential energy? You know formula of potential energy already. U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Q1 Q2 by R. Am I right? This is a general potential energy finding formula. Okay. For example, UAB, we are talking about AB. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Q1 Q2. At A point charge is what? Q. At B point charge is what? Minus Q. Plus into minus. Then how can we apply here? I already told. While calculating potential energy, while calculating electric potential, we consider sign of charge. We consider sign of charge. This is plus Q, this is minus Q. Plus into minus, minus. We can consider sign of charge. Plus Q into minus Q by distance between these two is what? A. Next. UBC. How to find UBC? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. At a B charge. Minus Q into minus 2Q. Minus Q into minus 2Q. By distance between them is A. Next. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. CA. At a C charge is minus 2Q. At A charge is Q. So minus 2Q into Q. Distance between them is A. Now observe carefully. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q into minus Q square by A. And here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Minus into minus plus 2Q square by A. And here plus into minus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Minus 2Q square by A. Minus 2Q square by A. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q square by A. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2Q square by A. This 2 is going to be cancelled. Then finally what is left here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q square by A. Then minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by A. Q square by A. Okay, this is a net potential energy of the system. Okay, net potential energy of the system. So this is the main thing. U configuration is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q square by A. Q square by A. So like this we are solving questions. So I hope you understood, and we will solve one more question based upon this. So that is problem number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Well, to continuing my lecture on electrostatic potential energy, question number 2. Find net potential energy of given figure. So this is a minus q charge, here is a plus q charge, here is I consider minus q plus q. Okay, now can I consider here some minus q charge, a b c, this is a square, each side is here. You know that potential energy U is only applied for pair of charges. U is only applied for pair of charges. For example, number of pairs, how to find? Number of pairs, finding formula, n into n minus 1 by 2. Here 4 charges are there, 4 charges. Number of charges are 4. So 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. Here n means a number of charges. That number of charges is equal to 4 here. That's why 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. 2 how many times here? 2 times. Then 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6 pairs. How many pairs? 6 pairs. Observe. This is one pair. Second pair. This is second pair. This is a third pair. This is a fourth pair. And here it is inside. One pair diagonal. And this is another pair. This is fifth pair. This is sixth pair. How many pairs are there here? 6 possible pairs are there. That means total U net we need to find. U net. U net is equal to UAB plus UBC plus UCD plus UBA, and diagonals also UAC plus UBD. So for this one, here observe carefully, plus q minus q, plus q minus q, AB plus q minus q, BC minus q plus q, CD also plus q minus q, and DA also plus q minus q. What you observe here, generally U formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r. q1 q2 by r. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant value. q1 into q2, q1 into q2, q1 into q2, q1 into q2, q1 into q2. All four having product of charge is same. Distance between them is same. Distance between them is same. So UAB is equal to UBC is equal to UCD is equal to UDA, because product of charges is same and distance between them is same. Then you consider this is equal to some U. This is equal to some U. That U value is consider any two charges, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Find any two charges. UAB you can consider. UAB you can consider 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 into q2. That means q into plus q into minus q. A into b, distance between them is a. Then what we got here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q minus q square by a. You know already, while finding electrostatic potential energy, we consider sign of charge. That's why we got 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus q square by a. So from this, observe carefully, UAB is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q square by a. Okay, so that is U value. For up to here, this is all are U only, na? That means U plus U plus U plus U up to here, and UAC UBD are same. UAC is equal to UBD is equal to same. That is considered as some U dash. Okay. So now what is that value? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into AC Q into Q square by distance between them. You know that length of diagonal AC distance is what? Here from this AC is equal to root 2a, length of diagonal. length of diagonal is root 2a, because length of the side is a means length of diagonal is root 2a. So this is root 2a. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by root 2a. So from this we got okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square by root 2a. So this is u dash. We can consider as u dash plus u dash, both are same. That means this can be written as 4 into u plus 2 into u dash. 4 into u value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus q square by a, plus 2 into u dash value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square by root 2a. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square by root 2a. So q square by root 2a. Alright. So for that we can find here what is a common value. Q square by a, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Okay. From that 2 also common. 2 into q square by 4 pi epsilon naught into a is common. Here we will get minus 2. Here we will get minus 2. Here we will get 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So from this we can write 1 minus 2 root 2, 1 minus 2 root 2 by, so this 2 cancel, q square by 4 pi epsilon naught into a. So this is a unit. So I hope all of you understood this. So any doubt regarding this problem, feel free to mention in comment box. I will explain. So whatever you had a problem. Okay. So please note down this. We'll continue our session with some more new points. So please note down. I hope completed. So now. So potential energy always we can apply it only by pair of charges. How to find number of pairs? If given number of charges, number of pairs, how to find? N into n minus 1 by 2. Number of pairs finding formula n into n minus 1 by 2.